Assalamualaikum and good day. We are from Group 4 and today we will be presenting our product which is the seat stand exoskeleton. Firstly, these are our team members. We consist of 4 students. It's me, Azam Harudin, and Shazwan Ashrafil and Nur Afika Alia. We will be presenting our first part which is the problem identification. From our direct observation to the user, there is a few problems when somebody or someone works in factory or in our university when we want to perform any task that needs them to hold their position firmly. As example, for the welding part, this source photo from Dr. Isahadan. Thank you, Doctor. Okay, when the person need to hold the body position for a long duration, this will resulting in back pain. They're not ergonomic for their posture. And mostly our workers in this country have a lot to do with this method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shazwan. I will present about the literature review, costing, and conclusion part. For the literature review, we'll take two literature review, which is for the first one is the survey of stakeholder perspective on exoskeleton technology. And the second one is the recent developments and challenges of lower extremity of exoskeleton. The first journal is very important because from this journal, we get to know the requirements and needs for the exoskeleton to produce in the market based on what people needs. In this survey, it also explains from the side or the perspective from the wheelchair users and healthcare professionals for the exoskeleton product. Okay, this is some of the questionnaire that have been asked in this journal, such as whether they would use or recommend an exoskeleton for the health benefits, rehabilitation purposes, social interactions, and functional tasks. Based on this graph, they will use the exoskeleton the most on the health benefits. On the right side is a table of the importance of exoskeleton design features that need to be applied when produce the exoskeleton in the market. Based on this table, there is 4 design features that need to be considered based on the median importance rating, which is 5. The 5 is the most most highest rating, which is the first one is we have to consider the minimizes risk of falling, purchase cost, comfort, and ease of putting on and taking off the devices. The second journal is also very important to look up into because the second journal talk about the existing exoskeleton product which is produced by the Lex company, and this is the target and function of the Lex when they produce their exoskeleton product. In this journal also, we get to know the face and limitation problem by the users when use the Lex product. Okay, so the problem faced and limitation faced by the users when use the Lex product is they comments like the product is heavy due to the application of torque and power. This factor makes the exoskeleton less portable, especially for paralyzed patients. The second one is unwearable. For example, a paralyzed patient still needs the help of the arm crutches to support the body weight during the sit to stance movement. The third one is cost. Most current exoskeleton in the market are very expensive and only affordable to a small number of people.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Norvika Alia, and now I will continue the pattern search for this sit-stand exoskeleton. Okay, the first figures, as we can see, from United States in year 1979, where this product is designed to support the weight of an individual's body, and also it includes the lower bar with an appropriate strap for attachment to the lower leg individually. And the upper bar is connected to the lower bar, and it is pivotally connected from upper bar, which it can support the individual's body during sitting posture. Okay, as for the sitting position, the shape is designed like a U-shape to support the buttocks of users while sitting. Next is the figures is from the Europe in year 2016, where the product is designed, which is provides the chair apparatus that including a pants unit configured with the legs and buttocks of users inside, which means this exoskeleton can be wear inside of the pants. Next is the report of user complaint or review. As we can see, there are two types of exoskeleton design, which from YouTube and websites, the users or the viewers complain or review. Some of them love this kind of chair because it can help them from standing too long, and some of them also doesn't like it because they don't feel stabilized while sitting on this chair because it only has two legs.
Hi, my name is Putra and I'll be presenting the 5W1H analysis of our product. So the first W is what? What is the actual problem with regular exoskeleton? So the first one is the mechanism support of the exoskeleton, and next is the weight of the exoskeleton frame. The second W is why. Why is it a problem? So based on our survey, users prefer the mechanism support being invisible, which means when we use the exoskeleton, there's no stick that's sticking out from our back when using the exoskeleton. Next is the frame of the exoskeleton frame is too heavy, so it's affecting their movement when using the exoskeleton. The third W is who will need it. So our product is used for technicians, operators, elderly, and basically anyone that having fatigue during to prolonged standing. So the fourth W is where. Where can the product be used? For example, at factory for operator during in production line. Next is at medical room for surgeon when they performing their surgery. Third is at workplace, any workplace that have problem due to prolonged standing. The fifth W is when. When can the product be used? For example, is welding, maintenance, and working time. And for 1H is how many are needed. So basically, the exoskeleton are needed for 1 unit per person at least. Next, I'll be presenting the compilation of design requirements. So for the materials, we use aluminum alloy for stand support because it's strong and can prevent corrosion. Next is fabric and foam for back support because it's comfortable. Next is rubber for base support to prevent slipping when using the exoskeleton. Next category is physical characteristics. So a product having weight of less than 3 kg, the length of the product is less than 0.7 meter, and the sizing is only 1 because we use the average height of Malaysian people, which is 165 centimeter. The performance characteristic is high durability strength because it is usually used by people in factory, so it must be strong. Next is the design requirement. It is very easy to use as it is adjustable for user to use it. Next, operator trainings. People that use the exoskeleton able to sit with perfect posture, non-slip, and safe to use. The environmental requirement is water resistant and resistant to corrosion. For aesthetic part is the color. We have variety colors such as black, red, and blue. As for the style, it is built with simple and elegant style.
For the next part is user needs extraction. To determining the design requirement from the user, we have to exclude and survey where we give for a one factory located in Penang, where this factory manufacturing part for the aeroplane, and most of these candidate from the survey from engineer, operator, and technician. Okay, they claim their working hour 44% claim that their working hour is around 5 to 8 hours, and for previous use of exoskeleton, only 1% have use of an exoskeleton. The feedback that we get from the survey in terms of problem in the current working space, there are a few feedback that firstly they will claim to standing too long and sitting too long, back pain, leg fatigue, need to lift a lot of weight, just support in the back, not comfortable, no ergonomic workspace, and small space to put a chair. So this is a person, how many percent they claim for this problem in their working space. Next, this suggestion criteria from user for this exoskeleton product. There is a lightweight. They want to lightweight this product to be lightweight, user friendly, of course comfortable, portable. Affordable is 4%, affordable 5%, and ergonomic of course, strong, durable, adjustable, compact, futuristic, and variety of product. From this survey, we conclude that a few only want to futuristic in terms of aesthetic for the product. most of them want to practically lightweight, user friendly, comfortable, and portable. Okay. Then for the price range expected for this product, most of them want to around 500 and 100 is good. For weight ratio, of course, more of them want to be lightweight. Next, in terms of comfortability, of course, more of them want to strongly agree if the product is comfort. Next, for the aesthetic, some of them in neutral and some of them want to be need for aesthetic. Next, of course, almost everybody agree and we need to minimize the fall risk for this product. In terms of usability and user friendly, most of them agree we need to put this product for user friendly. And lastly, from the survey, everyone seem to be agree to wear this as a skeleton product, but only few of them disagree or not sure, depend, and sometimes if needed or maybe. In the conclusion for this Google Form survey, these are the criteria that we need to take care of in order to generate idea or performing this exoskeleton product. Next, I will pass for my friend. Thank you.
The third topic is benchmarking of similar products. Okay. Diversity of target users, and our target users is the technician and also the operators. Okay. These two types of workers are our target users because they do their work by standing too long and it will make them exhausted and fatigued. Next is the uniqueness of our product. This is the design sketch of our product. This is the front view and this is the back view. Okay, the uniqueness is first, it can fit under clothes to make it an invisible feature. Second, it can be wear inside or outside of the pants, which is depends on the users whether they want to use it inside of their pants or outside of their pants. And the third one is we do apply the pressure sensor at the sitting cushion at the back to detect time duration of user standing for a reminder for users to sit down.
Okay, this is a cost of previous product that have been searched. The first one is a Lex Bionic chair, which is about 2,500 ringgit. The second one is a non-chairless chair, which is about 12,000 ringgit. And the third one, Archilist FX, that made from Japan, which is about 11,000 ringgit. So this is the expected product cost for our exoskeleton product. There is a 7 units that will be used for this product, and the total price is about 148 ringgit. For the conclusion, this is the sketch of our product that will be produced for the exoskeleton. Based on what we have researched from the journal, Google, and article, there is 4 critical criteria that we need to consider when we produce the exoskeleton product. The first one is lightweight, which is all the users can carry it when they don't want to use it. The second one is affordable prices. The third one is IoT application to make it futuristic. The last one is the invisible feature that can fit in under closets when the user use it. Thank you.